But everybody, I got another one. Let's check it out. So, let's get this out of the way. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Have to make some designs for these vinyls. Check this out. Ooh, that looks so cool. Wow, I like that. The blue. It's got like a pink, purple, blue mix with some gold through it. Orange. This one is amazing. Check that out. That's awesome. It's a green, purple, pink, and a little bit of blue in there. I like this one. That's nice. These two are almost identical. I don't know which one I like better. This one, I think. Here is a pink and gold mix. And here is the last one. What do you guys think of these? These are awesome. I am definitely going to have to make some designs with these in mind. And, oh my goodness. I like these three a lot. This blue is so nice. That is so nice. I'm going to put a link in the description for this vinyl so you guys can check it out. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this vinyl. So nice.